Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to uninstall apps on Android 2025. Let's begin. First you want to click on application that you want to uninstall. But you don't really want to click on it, you want to press and hold it. So for example, I want to get rid of this Xiaomi application. Now once I've really hold it, I can move it around, and as you can see, a little uninstall button appeared. All I want to do is move my finger with application to uninstall, and then simply hit OK, and Xiaomi earbuds are successfully uninstalled from this device. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.